What is all this fuss about out here? So, is anyone going to tell me what's going on? I believe I deserve an answer.
The thing is, that went, I thought...
Well, the seagull! We were swimming away from the seagull! It was chasing us!
If you take a seagull's bagel, it's going to chase you. Every fish in the sea should know about that, am I right?
I didn't know that I had the bagel. When the dancer had tossed me in the air like that, it must have stuck on my skateboard.
Since we no longer have a seagull problem, I'll continue reading my book if you'll excuse me. See you later, little young fish.
She said, see you later. The mermaid said it. Alesta said it.
Yoo-hoo! You were right, Biba. Alesta is real.
I told you I would find her.